who's ready to get the lead out? I am. This is Tangerine, one of those really sweet songs from the Led Zeppelin Acoustic collection. Really easy to play. I'm not going to show you the insane full middle solo where Jamie Page just goes sort of cuckoo, but let's try it in A minor. Like here, you go like this, A minor, and then add this finger to the 3rd fret of the B string, and back to a regular A minor. So that. So you're strumming the full A minor, all those notes. So, and then remove your first finger to the open B string, but with the rest of that A minor, and then do a G major. And what's important here is hit the 3rd fret of that B string right here, and then go to a D major, and pop that open D string one time, and then do it again. That one, you go to a C major, and you do this nice little walk down. All you do is hit the notes of a C major. You're just going. Then remove those 2 fingers, but leave this one on the 1st fret of the B string, and put this one on the 2nd fret of the A string, and go. So you're just hitting those same notes, A string, D, G string, B string, and then to an A minor. So the walk down goes like this. That's an A minor, and then go G major, and after the verse, it's really the same thing as the beginning and all the verse. I guess it goes the low part of a C note right here, and then that B string on the 1st fret. Right before that, walk down, and it goes A minor, G. And what's cool here, do this. Take off this finger and hit the open E string on the D. Add it back in to a regular D major, and then put your pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and back down to a regular D major, and then take that off again to the open E string, like that. So it goes. See that? So. And now, right before the chorus, it goes to this rockin' thing. I hit my guitar, don't put a hole in your guitar, but C major, D major, give it one good hit, and go G major, G major, D, C, C, D, G. So those are the chords when it goes Tangerine, Tangerine. Pretty nice. G, D, C major, D, G, D, C, D. Keep strumming that chorus over and over again. Very beautiful, a lot of fun, and I tried to get that middle crazy part down a little bit. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you around the channel. See ya.